Jai Swaminarayan student. Today we are going to learn about the unit number 2. The unit number 2 is binary logic and Boolean algebra. We have already studied about one lecture of the binary logic. Okay, in that you have studied about the logic gate. So what is a logic gate? First you can define the logic gate. So what is logic gate? The logic gate is the circuit which make decision based on ઇનપુટ કન્ડિશન. તમે જે ઇનપુટ આપો છો એ ઇનપુટ ઉપરથી એ કોઈ ચોક્કસ ડિસિઝન લઈ શકે છે. વોટ ઇઝ ધ ડિસિઝન? હિયર ડિસિઝન ઇઝ ધ આઉટપુટ. હિયર ડિસિઝન ઇઝ ધ આઉટપુટ. ધ અનધર થિંગ ઇઝ ધેટ logic gate has how many inputs? So logic gate has a one or more than one input. લોજિક ગેટને એક અથવા એકથી વધારે ઇનપુટ હોઈ શકે છે, બટ આઉટપુટ ઇઝ ઓનલી વન. આઉટપુટ કેટલા હોય છે? એક જ આઉટપુટ હોય છે. સો લોજિક ગેટ હેઝ એ one or more than one input and but output is only one. Output is only one. Now the second definition is the logic circuit. The second definition is the logic circuit. What is logic circuit? The meaning of the logic circuit is the circuit made using logic gate. The circuit made using logic gate is known as logic circuit. જે સર્કિટ આપણે લોજિક ગેટની મદદથી બનાવેલી હોય એને લોજિક સર્કિટ કહેવામાં આવે છે. નાઉ ધ થર્ડ પાર્ટ ઇઝ ધ ટાઈપ્સ ઓફ લોજિક ગેટ. You can also say classification of logic gate. This question asked in the GTU exam in the 2 marks. ये 2 marks में पूछा से classification of logic gate. The main classification of the logic gate has a 2 parts. So logic gate is further divided into 2 parts. The one is the fundamentals logic gate and the second is the derived logic gates. બે પ્રકાર છે, fundamental અને derived. The fundamental logic gates are, the one is the AND gate, second is the OR gate and third is the NOT gate. આ ત્રણ ગેટને મૂળભૂત લોજિક ગેટ તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે. AND gate, OR gate અને NOT gate. Second, derived logic gates, they are, what is derived? So they are made or derived with combination of logic gate, combination of fundamental logic gate. derived gate એટલે શું? તો એક જે આપણા ફંડામેન્ટલ લોજિક ગેટ છે એ 3 ગેટ છે, એન્ડ ઓર અને નોટ, એના કોમ્બિનેશનથી ડિરાઇવ્ડ ગેટ બનાવવામાં આવે છે. મીન્સ કે આના ઉપરથી ડિરાઇવ કરેલા છે, મીન્સ કે મેળવેલા છે. એ છે ધ 4th નંબર ઇઝ NAND, 5 નંબર ઇઝ NOR, 6 is XOR and 7 is the XNOR. These are the 4 derived gates. In this, the NAND and NOR gates are known as a universal gate. જે આ 4 છે NAND, NOR, XOR અને XNOR, બરાબર, તો એ 4માંથી જે એ NAND અને NOR ગેટ છે એને યુનિવર્સલ ગેટ તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે. What is the meaning of universal gate? The meaning of universal gate is that so all the another gates can be made using this NAND gate or NOR gate. બાકીના બધા જ ગેટ તમે NAND અને NOR ગેટનો ઉપયોગ કરીને બનાવી શકો છો. અમુક સપોઝ કે એન્ડ ગેટ છે તો એન્ડ ગેટને NAND ગેટની મદદથી બનાવવું હોય તો બે NAND ગેટની જરૂર પડે. એવી રીતે વિથ ધ કોમ્બિનેશન ઓફ વન ઓર more than one use of the NAND gate, we can make the all another gates. That's why NAND and NOR are known as a universal gate. In the further, we will study about the NAND and NOR as a universal gate. આપણે આગળના લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું કે યુનિવર્સલ ગેટને NAND અને NOR ને કેમ યુનિવર્સલ ગેટ તરીકે ઓળખવામાં આવે છે. Okay, today we are going to learn about the basic symbol of all the logic gates. આપણે આજે દરેક ગેટના સિમ્બોલ અને એના ટ્રુથ ટેબલ વિશે જાણીશું. તો પહેલો ગેટ કયો હતો? એન્ડ ગેટ. ધ ફર્સ્ટ ગેટ ઇઝ એન્ડ ગેટ. વોટ ઇઝ એન્ડ ગેટ? ઓકે, હાઉ ઇટ ઇઝ ટુ બી ડિરાઇવ્ડ? સપોઝ it has a output y and it has a two input a dot b. So we can write the AND gate as a dot b. Okay, what is its symbol? This is the symbol of AND gate. Okay, this is the symbol. This is our input A and B. And this is our output Y. What is Y? Y is the AB or A dot B. You can write like this, AB or A dot B. Okay, તમે AND gate ને આવી રીતે દર્શાવી શકો છો. મિનિમમ એમાં 2 ઇનપુટ હોવા જોઈએ. મિનિમમ કેટલા ઇનપુટ હોવા જોઈએ? 2 ઇનપુટ. સપોઝ you will be asked, draw 3 input AND gate. તમને એવું કીધું છે કે 3 ઇનપુટ વાળો AND gate દોરો. ઓકે, so you have to give input 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, output is only one. આપણે આગળ ડેફિનેશનમાં જોયું છે કે what is the definition of logic gate? It has a one or more than one input, but output is only one. So it's A, B and C. Third input we are giving here A, B and C. So what is Y? Y is equal to, you can write ABC or A dot B dot C. You can directly write like this. Okay, so this is the AND gate. Now we will draw the truth table of 2 input AND gate. Truth table of 2 input AND gate. બે ઇનપુટ વાળા AND gate નું truth table દોરવાનું છે. That you have already studied. What is the truth table? Truth table means the table showing input and output is known as a truth table. So what is the input here? A and B. What is the output? That is Y. So this is the input and this is our output. Y is equal to AB. Y is equal to AB. Now there will be a 4 combination. Either both A and B are 0, either B is 1, either A is 1 or both are 1. Now what is AND gate? You can remember in the one line, when all the inputs are 1, output is 1. If all the inputs are 1, output is 1. બધા જ ઇનપુટ 1 હોય તો આઉટપુટ 1 મળે છે. તો અહીંયા ટ્રુથ ટેબલમાં જુઓ કે બધા જ ઇનપુટ 1 ક્યારે છે? બધા જ મીન્સ હોરિઝોન્ટલમાં તમારે જોવાના છે. તો આમાં બધા જ 1 છે? નથી, તો આઉટપુટ ઇઝ અ 0. આમાં બધા જ 1 છે? નથી, તો ઇટ્સ અ 0. આમાં બધા જ 1 છે? નથી, તો 0. આમાં બંને 1 છે? યસ, તો ઇટ્સ અ 1. So this is the truth table. Okay, when both the inputs are 0, 0, output is 0. 1 is 0, it's a 0. 1 is 0, it's a 0. When both are 1, when both the inputs are 1, your output is 1. તો જ તમારા output 1 મળે છે. Okay, so you have to draw like this truth table. તમારે આ રીતે truth table ને draw કરવાનું છે. It is the AND gate. ઇટ ઇઝ ધ એન્ડ ગેટ. હવે આ કોમ્બિનેશન કેટલા મળે તો 0 1 2 3. You can see here, this is the binary of 0, this is the binary of 1, this is the binary of 2, this is the binary of 3. Okay, so you will come to know about how to make the truth table. So there is a 4 combinations are there. So there is a 4 combinations are there. So number of combination, it is the equation, number of combination is equal to 2 raised to number of input. 2 raised to number of input. Now put here how many inputs are there? 2. So 2 raised to 2. So total there is a 4 combination. If the number of inputs are 3, then total 8 combinations will be there. Total 8 combinations will be there. Okay, so you can make the truth table for AND gate. Now we will see the OR gate. We will see the OR gate. The second is the OR gate. What is its symbol? Its symbol you can draw like this. Minimum it requires 2 input. Okay, it is drawn like this. Then A P, y is equal to A plus P. Okay, and આપણે પ્લસ આ પ્લસ this plus shows is not a sum. આ તમને જે પ્લસ બતાવે છે એ સમ નથી, it's a logical OR. It's a logical OR. આ શું છે? Logical OR છે. Okay, it's a logical OR. Okay, what is it truth table? So A, B and Y. A, B and Y. So here is આ ટેબલને તમારે યાદ રાખવાની પણ એક ટ્રીક છે કે જેટલા પણ ઇનપુટ હોય કેટલા કોમ્બિનેશન મળશે? 4. 2 raised to 2. So you can write here છેલ્લા વાળાને લખવાનું 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Okay, so when હવે આને યાદ રાખવાનું છે કેવી રીતે? when any of given input is 1, output is 1. તમને જેટલા પણ ઇનપુટ આપ્યા છે એમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક ઇનપુટ 1 હોય, આઉટપુટ આપણને શું મળે છે? 1 મળે છે. તો અહીંયા જુઓ બંને 0 છે તો અહીંયા શું મળશે? 0. એક 1 મળી ગયો તો 1, એક 1 મળી ગયો 1, એક 1 મળી ગયો 1. So this is the truth table. Y is equal to A plus P. This is the OR gate. Now fourth one is the NOT gate. Third one is the NOT gate. Remember that NOT gate has only one input. NOT gate ને કેટલા ઇનપુટ છે? એક જ ઇનપુટ છે. How it is to be drawn? This is known as a bubble. This is known as a bubble. So it's suppose its input is A. So what is Y? Y is equal to, you can write here A bar. In the logical you have to put the bar, or you can write the A dash. Okay, so when input is 1, output is 0, and when input is 0, output is 1. જ્યારે ઇનપુટ 1 હોય તો આઉટપુટ શું મળે છે? 0, અને 0 હોય તો 1. So here is a A, Y is equal to A bar or A dash. Okay, so here is only one input is there, so there will be only 2 combination, either it will be a 0 or 1. If it is 0, output is 1. If it is 1, output is 0. So this is the NOT gate. This is the NOT gate. Okay, now the second is the NAND gate. Fourth part of the gate is the NAND gate. What is NAND gate? So NAND gate is the derived gate. NAND gate is the derived gate. It is made using the combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. એને કોના કોમ્બિનેશનથી બનાવવામાં આવે છે? તો AND gate અને NOT gate ના કોમ્બિનેશનથી. ઓકે, so what is AND gate and NOT gate? So suppose first is the AND gate. પહેલા તમારે કયો ગેટ મૂકવાનો? AND gate. Whatever the output of the AND gate, that is given to be the NOT gate. So here is a A, B. So here is a Y1 is the AB. y1 શું થશે ab. હવે નોટ ગેટ શું કરે છે, વોટ એવર ધ ઇનપુટ ઇઝ ગિવન ઇટ ઇઝ ટુ બી કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટેડ. એ કયું થઈ જાય છે, ઊંધું થઈ જાય છે. તો y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ab નો બાર, y ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ab નો બાર. સો વોટ ઇઝ ધ બુલિયન ઇક્વેશન ઓફ ધ AND gate? It is the AB and you have to put here bar because our input is a AB. Input is a AB. Actually not gate માં એક જ ઇનપુટ હોય A. તો A નું A બાર થાય તો AB ઇનપુટમાં આપો તો શું થાય AB બાર. શું થઈ જાય AB બાર. This is not a symbol. The symbol is like this. The symbol is and put bubble only. This is the NAND gate. આ શું થઈ ગયું NAND gate. So A B y is equal to AB bar. This is the symbol. Whenever you asked in the exam, draw the symbol of NAND gate, then you have to draw this. This is only for explanation. Now we are making the truth table. So here is the A, B, પછી શું મળે છે y1 અને પછી y. Okay. What is y? Y is the AB bar. Y is the AB bar. What is y1? It's AB. Okay. This is two inputs. So 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. This is the AND gate. So when all the inputs are 1, output is 1. Otherwise it is 0. Otherwise it is 0. What is AB bar? AB bar is the NOT gate of y1. It is the NOT gate of the y1. So you have to write 0 in place of 1, 1 in place of 0. So 0 no 1, 0 no 1, 0 no 1, 1 no 0. So when all the inputs are 1, output is 0. When all the inputs are 1, output is 0. Otherwise it is 1. So truth table of the NAND gate is AB and Y. આ તમારે લખવાનું નથી. This is only for explanation. આ ખાલી સમજવા માટે છે કે AB આવ્યું એનું ઊંધું અહીંયા આવે છે. ઓકે. So this is the NAND gate. આ શું થઈ ગયો તમારો NAND gate. Now fifth number is the NOR gate. Fifth number is the NOR gate. What is NOR gate? The NOR gate is the combination of OR plus NOT. It is the combination of OR plus NOT. A OR and a NOT no combination. So first you have to draw the OR gate. Then output of the OR gate is given to the NOT gate. So here is the A, B, A plus B, y1 is equal to A plus B and y is equal to A plus B no bar. A plus B no bar. What is its symbol? Its symbol is same. First draw the OR gate and then put the bubble. પછી એની આગળ શું મૂકી દેવાનું છે બબલ. So it's a A then B, y is equal to A plus B no bar. A plus B no bar. Same, we are making the truth table. It's a B, y1, y. What is y1 here? Y1 is the A plus B, means OR gate. What is y? Y is equal to y1 no bar is equal to what is y1? A plus B, and it's A plus B no bar. So 0, 1, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so what is here? What is the OR gate? Any of the input is 1, output is 1. Otherwise it is 0. એનું ઊંધું અહીંયા છે 1, 0 નું શું થઈ જશે 1, 0, 0. Okay, so you can easily remember these gates. What is NAND gate? When all the inputs are 1, when all the inputs are 1, output is 0. And here when all the inputs are 0, output is 1. See here, when all the inputs are 0, output is 1. Otherwise all the inputs are 0. So you can easily remember. So today we have studied about the 5 logic gates. In the next lecture we will study about the XOR and XNOR gate. What is here? Today we have studied, just revise, first AND gate, What is AND gate? In the one line you can remember, when all the inputs are 1, output is 1. When all the inputs are 1, output is 1. When all the inputs are 1, output is 1. That is our AND gate. When any of the input is 1, when any of the given input is 1, output is 1. That is our OR gate. That is our OR gate. Okay. Then when what is NOT gate? It is gives the complemented output. If you put A, then A bar. If you put A plus B, then A plus B bar. If you put A dot B, then it will be A dot B bar. Okay. So it gives the complemented output. And the last is the NAND gate. When all the inputs are 1, output is 0. When all the inputs are 0, output is 1. Okay. So remember these gates. Okay. For it is required for the XOR and XNOR gate. Jai Swaminarayan.